How to move IC. First, use a hot air gun to preheat the flex at 240 degrees. Then apply small alcohol. And carefully pry up the flex cable. Insert a blade under the flex cable. Clean vinyl. Add some flux to the chip. Use hot air gun to heat it at 240 degrees for about 6-8 seconds. Remove the chip. Add paste flux. Remove tin on the bonding pads with the soldering iron at 300 degrees C. Cleaning the bonding pads with PCB cleaner. Scrape away the black adhesive on the edge. After cleaned, apply some solder paste to the bonding pad. Form the solder balls with hot air gun at 300 degrees. Take a JH LCD screen. Blow the IC with a 100-degree hot air gun for 5 seconds. Apply some alcohol to pry. The IC is removed. Insert a blade under the flex cable. Apply some paste flux to the bonding pad. Align the cleaned original IC with the bonding pad. Note that the direction of the front and back of the chip should be the same. Solder the IC with hot air gun at 240 degrees after the screen cooled down. Install the screen. No pop-up reminder anymore.